Sony Xperia XZ Screen Replacement Guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun.
Power down your Sony Xperia XZ smartphone. Extract the nano SIM card and micro SD card tray. The 5.2-inch Full HD display assembly with curved glass is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the triangle opening tool, slice through the sticky adhesive. The display assembly is still connected to the phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the bracket that covers the display cable. Detach the cable and decouple the Sony Xperia XZ screen from the phone. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.